See that look like a Bigfoot right there? Welcome to the Bigfoot hunt. You know, Kentucky has Bigfoot encounters. The dense foliage and there's a cave system provides a convenient habitat. There's been 117 total sightings in Kentucky, most in eastern Kentucky and the Red River Gorge. That's not great for the Bigfoot mass here in Kentucky. But we're still going to keep looking. We made it. Here we go. Starting off. Looking for Bigfoot again. Look at that though. Could be anywhere in here. We wouldn't even know. It's a nice place out here. I bet we can see Bigfoot out here. But it's real dense. I mean, he could be anywhere around here. We wouldn't see him. If he didn't move, didn't make any noise, we're stuck. Man, this looks just like a Bigfoot movie out here. You can see one out there. These woods are so thick. Barely any sunlight getting through. See that look like a Bigfoot right there? Ain't moving. Let's keep going. That right there looks like a place. You see a Bigfoot there. If this were a movie, This is a video, but not a movie. That's our Bigfoot right there. I think it's a tree stump. What do you say? Holy smokes. This trail is like uphill the whole way. Jiminy Christmas. Look at this. Does look pretty good around here though. I think I'm gonna try some calls here. Make a little noise. See what happens. I think we upset some squirrels. These suck. There's no good knockers around here. I don't think we're going to stay out here all night. There's some storms coming. I don't want to get caught out here in the rain. So we're going to head on back. I might see if I can set up a spot where I can put a cover on the truck. Set there. So we'll see. Talk to you later. A little bit more comfortable than your regular Sasquatch hunt. But I don't think it's going to do anything. Bigfoot ain't no dummy. he knows when there's going to be bad weather. So we'll give it a little bit more, then we'll probably split. I looked at the radar, there is a pretty bad storm coming. So, we'll see. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it here. I don't want to get stuck out of here with a big old storm, bunch of rain. So we're going to head on back. No luck again, but we got out, saw a nice place, walked around in nature. It was a little hot, but wasn't too bad. So, we'll be back in the fall. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Make sure you check out the short. And I'll see you on the next one.